Hey, I'm Chaketa with Always On Point Pressure Washing here in Atlanta, Georgia. Welcome to Ask the Pressure Washing Pros, where we answer the questions homeowners ask us every day. Today's question is, how often should I pressure wash my house? If you live in Georgia, we generally recommend having your home professionally washed about once a year. Our warm, humid climate creates the perfect conditions for pollen, mold, mildew, algae, and dirt to build up. Homes surrounded by trees or shade may benefit from cleaning every 6 to 12 months. Regular cleaning protects your siding and helps extend the life of your exterior's home. Here's our on-point tip. Don't wait until your home looks dirty. By the time you notice green or black stains, algae has often been growing for months. Preventative cleaning is easier and helps protect your investment. Thank you for watching. Leave your questions and comments down below. For more homeowner tips and exterior cleaning advice, go ahead and follow us at Always On Point Pressure Washing, because even under pressure, we're always on point.